the theme of this year's 16 Days of Activism against violence against women is from awareness to accountability. Now, we've done a lot of awareness, and awareness has brought more awareness on so many other issues, the realities of the fact that women are not homogeneous, and then the different realities of the different kinds of women have come to the fore. However, we now have, more progressive laws than we used to have. Even though the laws haven't been fully accepted everywhere, those who have supposedly domesticated these laws, the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act, the Child Rights Act, even the Cyber Crimes Act, helps us to curb, revenge pornography and all those kind of things, right? To what extent is there gender responsive budgeting by the government to show some responsibility as the key leader in curbing the violence against women and girls, So we're holding everybody accountable for the actions and inactions, considering where we want to be. Have we made any progress in the past 10 years? Yes, we are. In the past 10 years, where we are now, could we have done better? By far, we could have done better. And considering that we could have done better, now is the time to rethink our strategies and ensure that COVID has done one thing for us. It has taught us how to leverage on technology to think smarter. So how can we think smarter along the lines of what we do to end violence against women and girls? One of the easiest ways would be to be able to procure a restraining order from the internet within 24 hours, irrespective of whether it's a weekend. So let's give 48 hours. Within 48 hours, procure a restraining order, free of charge. Be able to access medical services, free of charge. Be able to interact with law enforcement, because access to justice starts with law enforcement proving criminal activity, right? And then taking the matter to court. That way it is a matter of the state against the criminal, right? But right now, engaging law enforcement is very, very expensive. NAPTIP is the cheapest law enforcement to engage, because NAPTIP doesn't collect money for file from you. However, your cost of transportation is on you, and many people cannot afford that cost of transportation. So we need to be more gender sensitive, more victim and survivor sensitive, and yeah.
Thank you, Dorothy, and happy 16 days of activism.
Thank you.